This is Lenny Farlee, Purdue University Extension Forester. Now let's ID that tree. In this edition of ID That Tree, we're going to take a look at a shrub that I would say is not necessarily common in Indiana, but is found fairly frequently, particularly on high quality sites with plenty of soil moisture, and that is leatherwood. Leatherwood, as you can see, is a nice compact shrub. This is a pretty good size, probably about 7 or 8 feet tall, can get slightly larger. And in the sun, this compact form is fairly common, but typically we find it more in the understory of forest areas, and it'll have a little bit more open form. Leatherwood has these small, attractive, oblong leaves with smooth margins, so no teeth on the margin. Alternate leaf arrangement on the twigs, and the base of the leaf completely covers the bud. And so we cannot see the bud when the leaves are actually on this shrub. But we're moving into fall now, and so you can see where one leaf has come off, and we can actually see the bud right here on the end of the twig, completely surrounded by the leaf scar. One of the characteristics of leatherwood is very flexible twigs. And so we can actually take twigs and completely bend them over, and they will snap back into position. In fact, oftentimes people will actually even tie these in knots to demonstrate how flexible these twigs are. This species is also fairly resistant to deer browse, so I very seldom see this species browsed on by white-tailed deer, providing a little bit of protection and an opportunity to be competitive in the forest environment. I don't see this particular species used ornamentally, but I think it certainly has some promise for that, particularly in shady areas with high soil moisture. And so leatherwood, one of our native Indiana shrubs, occasionally encountered, particularly on high quality sites with plenty of soil moisture.